Irepo Owode and Owode to Lekara roads in Oyo Town to ease vehicular movement and avoid persistent heavy truck accidents on these roads. The House notes that Irepo to Owode is a dualized road that links Alaafin Palace within Oyo Township, which was constructed by the late Governor Abiola Ajimobi's administration. The road is about 6.1 kilometers, which is a replica of the Zen Township Road, constructed by the same administration. This Irepo Owode Alaafin Palace Road, since construction, has stimulated economic and social development of Oyo Township and helped businesses to thrive. It is a major road that connects the new Ibadan Oyo Ilorin Express Road and the old Ibadan Oyo Ilorin Road, which allows free vehicular movement, especially the heavy-duty vehicles, trucks that are going and coming from the northern parts of the country. The road, no doubt, helps in boosting the commercial activities of Oyo Town. For the past 2 or 3 years now, the Irepo Owode Road has been in a deplorable condition, which require urgent government attention and quick intervention. Despite the fact that the road was constructed 5 years ago, the condition of this road is terribly bad, with many big potholes that disrupt. The heavy-duty truck drivers use hours on the road before getting to Owode from Irepo Junction that links the new express road to Ilorin. The road has become a trap to my constituents and others flying the road on a daily basis. To urge, 1, the executive arm of government through the Ministry of Public Works and Transport and the Oyo State Road Maintenance Agency, OSTROMA, to rehabilitate and reconstruct Irepo to Owode Road within Oyo Town to ease vehicular movement, avert recurrence of truck accidents, and revitalize the economic activities of Oyo Town and its environs. 2, the Federal Ministry of Works and Housing and the Federal Road Maintenance Agency FEMA to urgently rehabilitate and reconstruct Owode to Lekara Road within Oyo Town, being a part of old Ibadan Oyo Ilorin Road, in order to ease vehicular movement and revigorate economic activities that have collapsed in these assets due to the pathetic condition of these roads. Mr. Speaker, I beg to.
What the initial concerns for your Mr. Speaker, on this road, I rise to second this motion for a personal campaign to put the state and the federal government. Mr. Speaker, we are at disadvantage because of the slow walk of the road from Ilorin to Ibadan. This allows for every truck.
Sorry, Honorable, you have a federal rep member, isn't it?
Sir?
You have a federal rep member from Oyo?
Yes, yes.
So you should approach him as well.
We have both the federal and the state road that were affected.
Our governor is doing wonders
there. Just stated by the removal of the motion, Mr. Speaker. We would like the state and the federal government. You see, I said we are at disadvantage because of the slow walk of the federal road that links the Ilorin municipality. This heavy truck were taking the road, the state road within the town, and this allowed for the deplorable condition of those roads. So we want to appeal that the state government, through the Ministry of Works or the OSTROMA, to come and rehabilitate the part that concerns the state government. So I second, sir.
Too much time on it. Let me put the question right away. Those in support that the resolve as contained in the body of this motion be approved by this honorable House, say aye.
Aye.
Those against, say nay. The ayes have it.